songs. Okay, so we want to try one of these songs. So this song is called Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Right?
What?
Mwana.
I've heard this song before.
Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Right? Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Then I'll write the other line. Kurera. I hope I've written correction spellings here. Nyo, re. Mwana wangu akura. Can you all say mwana wangu akura? Mwana wangu akura. Kurera haizi nyore.
Kurera haizi nyore.
Well done. Yeah, you guys are way better than the other class. So this, what it means is, Mwana wangu wakura, look, my child is grown. And kurera haizi nyore just means raising up a child is not an easy thing. So this is a parent, right? Who is so proud of one of his or her children who is just grown up and doing amazing things. Right. Okay. Right. That's what it means. Right. Good. So to start with, let's start by the rhythm. So the rhythm, I've put it in 6/8. I know we haven't done this time signature, but let's start it today. So these are one and notes. Remember when you're doing one and one and. Okay, so it's one and one, one and one, one and one, one and one, one and one. Up to the end, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's clap. One and one, 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 one and one. Well done. So that's the clapping. So I hope we're going to do the clapping with the singing. So now let's try to do the singing. So Mr. St. John will play the marimbas for us. Right?
So how do you sing it?
Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to sing. So it goes. So it goes like Mwana wangu akura, kurera haizi nyore. Mwana wangu akura, kurera haizi nyore. Let's do the clapping. Mwana wangu akura, kurera haizi nyore. Mwana wangu akura. Can you change it to a GK? Okay. It's much. Okay. Yes, we're going to do echoes. So I want to teach you the first part. Okay, I will teach you the first part. That's G, C, G, D. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Music or Zim traditional music has got some certain elements that we have to follow so that the whole concept comes out well. So when we are clapping, we're clapping like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is how we're going to clap. The first clap is supposed to be louder than the other two claps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well done. 1, 2, now I sing 3 and 4. Right, now I'm adding another line. So this is the echo part, but let's try to do it. Maybe you will get that. Because yes?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
I can't do two things at once, so I can't clap and sing at the same time.
Okay, don't worry, we'll learn. Right, now we want to add we want to add the echo line. Right? So I'll add this line here. Uya. Uya uone. So this word is not here. It's here in Shona. Here ma. If we add a ma, then it becomes my surname, right? Okay. So it's here uya uone. Right. So listen where it comes in. Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Okay. Sorry. I'll remove this because it will not fit for now. It will not fit because it will become complicated. So it's Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Kurera signore. Uya uone. Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Kurera signore. Uya uone. Mwana Mwangu Wakura. Okay, let's just do the end. End. Continue playing. One.
Can the girls do the echo?
Yes, the girls.
Yes,
I knew that's where it was going. But for now, let's all in the echo. Then listen. Okay, let's all in the echo part. Then I'll choose which group is going to do that. Right? We want to do the we are one only. Okay, listen to the marimbas. We are one. 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 Boys on me. We are one. We are one. We are one. We are one. Okay, now we want. Okay, this is. Let's do it fairly. Let's do it fairly. This is what we're going to do. We'll start. Listen. Okay, we'll start with the clapping 2 times. Then I'll stop the clapping. Then we start the Mwana Mwangu Wakura, everyone. Then after that, the boys will continue saying Mwana Mwangu Wakura. While the girls are saying we are one 2 times. Then the second time we switch. The boys will go to we are one and you guys you go to Mwana Mwangu Wakura. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's try that way. So let's start with the clapping. 1,
2 times.
2 times. 1, 2, 3, go and 1. When you start saying, you stop the clapping, right? And 1, 2, and Mwana Mwangu Wakura, kurera signore. How is this? Mwana Mwangu Wakura, kurera signore. We are one. Mwana Mwangu Wakura, we are one. Kurera signore. We are one. Mwana Mwangu Wakura. guys are amazing. I wish we could have more time so you can
Then
like
we
do
go
the dances.
Then we can do it. Then we can sing it assembly.
Yes, you can sing it in assembly. Well done. Right, it's coming out there. Right? Okay, can you stand and try to add the dance to it? Then we can like fully perform it. Right? Right? Right. So the dance is a bit complicated, but I'll try to show you. So remember, the 1, 2, 3 is the main rhythm for the song. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So your arms are like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. But remember, it was going fast, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, can you try the dance with the clapping? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, much better. Let's try. Let's try again from. Let's try again from the top. Right, from the top. 1, 2, from the top. 1, 2, 3.